Hi, my name is Anastasia Makradzi and I will be your instructor in this course about play and learning. In this course we are going to learn the basic aspects of play which are transformed in learning, and how and why play actually is learning. All the modern theories say that we should incorporate play in our daily lesson, in our daily program, but they don't mention how are we doing this. They're not talking about the steps, about the basic steps. So, in this course, we are going to see how we are going to incorporate play in our daily program, how we are going to transform the desire of our children for play to lesson, and we are going to learn a proven method with which, basic steps with which you will transform this play to learning. Maths, language, creativity, space, the understanding about the space, about the time, about the self. For more than 32 years, I am studying about play, and I'm working with children through play and play. For the last 17 years, I'm studying very seriously the connection that there is between perception of the space and the time, and the perception of the self and the play. And I'm working actually in the class with children, and I have found the way with which we can transform this internal desire of our children to play in a learning process. For whom is this course? This course is for parents, for teachers, for school administrators, as well as counseling centers or course or coaching centers who want to help their faculty to develop. So, I see you in. Till the first lesson, I want you to think about play. See you in.